Hello guys, welcome to my vlog.
Wara ko kalaw dili ako.
Yan na po, magsa-survey na po kami.
Video galing na po siya.
Dito na po kami, dalawang team. See you later. Medyo madulas po yung daan, so ingat po tayo mga ka-vlog, no? Medyo mahabang lakarin to. Sige, kita na tayo mamaya.
Shout out nga pala sa mga
Shout out. Magpiyagi po. Magpa-party daw sa kwarto. What a commercial. What a commercial, man. So guys, ito na po. Papasok na kami sa kagubatan. Ayan. Yung kasama ko medyo ano nito eh. Yung sabi nila, rugado na daw. Hindi na kaya, pero kakayanin. Okay. Ayan. Kita nyo naman guys. Madulas ng daan. Bagong ulan eh. Punta na kami dun. Nasaya na kami. Update ko kayo guys.
Me queda plata para un par de cervezas, ya no me puedo quejar. El Instagram ya lo borré del sistema.
Guys,
para la playa me
yung
fui
mga langgam na yan, yung gumalis
a disfrutar del sol y la arena, porque así vivo feliz.
Gumagawa ng bahay sa mga dahon. And before you know it, inasagasaan mo yung bahay nila. Nakalipat siya sa karon guys, uli na may kay kapoy na kaayaw niya, gaulan na pod. So orang pikas grupo hirap po siya sa pikas.
Every day above ground is a great day. You never pay attention to what they say. There's more to life than follows and likes, and just know that I love all those who hate me. Le doy gracias a Dios todos los días por estas bendiciones y esta vida. It's all about the journey, not the money. You can make it, but you can't take it with you. Ain't that funny?
Karon guys, magluto namin guys. Ano sa barracks? Ang cooker o cooking eating day. Daw limon. Oh, limon. Pilit ang limon, pilit. So namin sa bukid guys. Muna siyang kinabuhi sa mga mayor. Grabe oh. Expert kayo. Expert good.
One shot coming need it bad. Next shot for the week when me have. 3 shots make me burn out me job. When me look on me check me feel like me get robbed. 4 shots we bring in party season. 3 shot me take just for no reason. 6 shot make me almost forget about the whole damn week me get a beat. Sometimes in all my life I just wanna all the vibes and burn me marijuana.
Good for kuan pa din. Good for 11 months.
Me ready to go turn it up. Give me the rum with the cheers. I got some trees. Me want to roll it up, but me forget me buy paper. This night going down in history.
Positive, positive.
Come back shit to me. Cause all me need is some girls and weed and a little bit of liquor and me dogs.
Matap na pa kita?
It's the good not pay, but fuck it. Tell the boss for coming in today. Me
Iwain ng sibuyas.
cause the party a shot and me nah leave. And me have a hot girl
Tabi sa isang plato. Iwain ulit yung kalahati. Balatan ang kapayas. Kag bumakal ka ng bugas. Aw. Ano na sir? Aw, okay. Na, mabalik ka suba ang kontang lad. Sumisa pa. Sapa, layo pa. Sama na rin. Sama na din.
This life going down in history. Nobody can come back shit to me. Cause all me need is some girls and weed and a little bit of liquor and the dogs were close to me. It's the good life. It's the good life. It's the good life. It's the good life. It's the good life.
Mga muang suki. Tay, pwede ba maghuram musad na kaldero, tay? Para sa masap na kami. Sige, tay. Lang.
Shoes on, get up in the morning, cup of milk, let's rock and roll. Kink out, kick the drum, rolling on like a rolling stone. Sing song when I'm walking home, jump up to the top of the brown. Ding dong, call me on my phone, nice tea and I'll get my ping pong. This is dead heavy, can't hear the bass, boom, I'm ready. Life is sweet as honey, yeah, this beach chain like money. This go all alone, I'm into that, I'm good to go, I'm diamond, you know I glow up.
Hey, so let's go.
'Cause I'm in the stars tonight, so watch me bring the fire, set the night light.
When things are right, you just know there is something in your eyes that brings me home. 'Cause when there's love, you don't let go. So as long as you're with me, you're not alone. You're